Don't jump off. It's itchy. Oh, that would scare me. Oh, okay. This one found something. Oh, that tail is long. Hello. Yeah, the tail is very long. Hello. And that's how you walk. Ah. Oop. Is that your girl? Is the sweet potato yummy? Is that your mom?
Yeah. Mom the only one's closer with the baby.
Ah, and grooming.
Baby.
Yeah. I guess it's like with humans too. Usually the moms are with the baby.
When you touch the baby, the mom will be hungry.
Yeah.
Your
You're always grooming. Do you know how you tell who is the okay, this one have boobs. Male, female, yeah. Oh, you have to go. Okay. Oh yeah, oh they're the one with the big yeah, the big sack. You're always grooming. I like that. Look at in the evolutionary chain. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is a cleaning station. Don't scratch your butt. Oh, their fur looks like wool. Oh, don't flash me. This is your cleaning station. Monkey all the way up there. They're always, the older guys, I feel like they're threatened by the young ones. They're always harassing them. Yep, definitely a big guy. No. She does not want another baby. Yep.
The boys always protect the group.
Yeah. Little pocket like kangaroos, but no. Little